I see people online talking about owning two cars like it's nothing. So today I'm breaking down what it actually cost me to own two cars every month and every year. No estimates, just real numbers. Because this adds up very fast. So I own two cars, a GR86, which is my fun car, and the Corolla, which is my daily. And the biggest mistake people make is looking at the purchase price only. But there's more to it. Let's start with insurance. I pay 1,477 per year for this Corolla, which is about 130 per month. And then for the GR86, I pay about 3,300 per year when it's not in storage. And it comes down to about 290 per month. But when it's in storage, I pay about 902 per year, which is it comes down to about 75 per month. Two cars means two full policies. There is no shortcut here. So the total for both cars are 4,777 per year when the GR86 isn't in storage. This is money that leaves your account whether you drive or not. Now let's talk about gas next. One car drinks more. One car saves me money. Together, it all adds up. I don't drive the GR86 that much as I use it for mainly content ideas, but I average around 200 per month in gas on the GR86. And for this Corolla, I average 450 per month in gas. This is why having a cheap daily matters, because if the roles were reversed, the GR86 would definitely cost more and cost around like 600 per month in gas. Now let's talk about maintenance. Maintenance is where people lie to themselves. We have oil changes, we have tire changes, we have brake maintenance, we have air filters, and the list goes on. Two cars means double wear cycles. Luckily, I work on my car myself, but I still have to buy the parts. So on average, this Corolla, I spend about 200 per year. And for the GR86, 100 per year just because I don't drive it that much. This is not optional spending. It has to be done. Now, if you have payments, this even hurts more. Like, even if the car is paid off, you still pay to keep it alive. My GR86 is financed and I pay 691 per month. Two cars magnify every bad month. Now, altogether, putting both cars together, this is where it blows my mind. My monthly cost for both cars altogether is around $1,130, and the yearly cost is around $13,568. This is why I tell people to slow down before buying a second car, because you don't know how much you're losing. So, is it worth it? For me, yes and no. Because before I bought the GR86, I didn't really plan well for it. But I mainly only use it for content. So, it might end up paying off in the future. If this number scares you, then that's your answer. If this video helped you, save it. And if you're thinking about getting a second car, watch this twice before you decide. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.